Greetings and salivations, everyone. I'm Krista, this is Fisher, and welcome to CRAD. And this is the way to use the Mandalorian egg decorating kit.
CRAD.
Hi, everybody! Well, hello, everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. We've got the egg decorating kit for Easter egg decorating, which comes with some fun little Grogu things. So we thought it would be fun to, put them together for you and see how they turn out. So, Fisher, I'm going to have to set you to the side because I'm definitely going to need both hands for this. Are you good with that?
I'm good with that.
Alright, little dude. Boop. We will see you in a little bit. So the egg decorating kit comes with all kinds of fun things. It comes with egg stands, stickers, coloring tablets, wrap-its, foam stickers, googly eyes, and an egg dipper. So we're going to take it apart. It's got some easy, or what looks to be easy, directions for dipping the eggs. But let's open it up and see what else is inside of this and see what kind of instructions they give. So, first off, it comes with instructions. Sorry, I had to put my glasses on so I could see. But other than what's in the package, you're also going to need eggs, of course, hard-boiled eggs. We've got those here. And you're going to need white vinegar, and you're going to need cups for the dissolvable tablets, either reusable ones or disposable ones. So we've got everything here. I'm going to move the table over and point the camera down so you guys can see what's going on. All right, so I've got a cup of warm water here. There's 6 different colored tablets in each pack. So you do need a different cup for each one, but we're only going to do one. And I'm going to try to figure out, I think this is the green one. So you need half a cup of warm water. You put the tablet in there. Yep, that looks like the green one. And then you need to add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar as it dissolves. Oh yeah, as soon as you put the vinegar in there, that color starts to come apart. And it also says to put either wax paper or newspaper down so that you don't get your table dirty, which I'm just using this blanket. I can throw it in the wash when we're done. I'm going to use my little egg dipper. I'll show you here. The green color is coming out quite green, but you just have to stir it around until that tablet dissolves. I hope my water, it's very, very cold here lately, guys, so I'm really, really hoping my water is still warm. Yeah, it feels like my water is cold already, guys, probably because the vinegar is really cold. I probably should have waited for the tablet to dissolve all of the way before putting that vinegar in there, but that's okay. Yeah, look. Green finger, so careful not to get the dye on your fingers, guys, because it will change your skin colors. But while that's dissolving, I'm also going to show you, it comes with little foam ears, little Grogu faces. These look like the wrap-its that go around the Grogu. All kinds of fun Grogu Easter stickers. And then these look like these are the egg holders. So different egg holders that you can use to put your egg in when you're finished. So let's take these apart. The egg holders are just made out of a thin cardboard. It's not real like paper thin, but it's not thick like a cardboard box. So be super, super careful when taking these apart. And then to dip the eggs, you stick the egg in the holder, drop it in the dye, which my dye is not working really well, guys. Again, I don't think the tablet dissolved long enough. I am not getting, I've got a little bit of a green color, but not a lot. So I don't think there's enough dye in this one. Oh, that's such a bummer. Oh, there it goes. As it sits in there longer, the color starts adding to it. So we're getting a little bit more green on this guy. I let it sit in there for a couple of minutes, so that's pretty cool. You also have the rabbits that go around the eggs. These guys you do in hot water also. So I'm gonna have to move into the kitchen and show you how to do those. But you put the rabbit on it, you heat water. It doesn't say boiling, it just says hot water. And then you slip the rabbit around the egg, submerge the wrapped egg in hot water using tongs or the included egg dipper. Keep submerged until the rabbit shrinks and conforms to the egg, and then allow the egg to cool before handling it. So yeah, we'll move into the kitchen and try this in a minute. I just wanted to show you the dye again. After it sat in there, we do have a cute little green color, and we're going to do the rabbit on that egg also and see if that ruins the dye at all. But we got to let this guy dry a little bit. While we're letting that one dry, I'm going to put together one of the egg holders. And it just has two little slots in the back. And then you can put your egg inside the egg holder. And you can decorate it with things like the stickers or the googly eyes. Let's put some stickers on this one. Let's see, we got a Mando helmet. And these are just regular stickers. They're nothing too spectacular. Let's do a Mando and Grogu. So that would be like a Mando and Grogu egg. They do stick on there pretty good, and I love egg salad, so I'm gonna be having a lot of egg salad later with all these eggs that I made. Okay, so got the bowl of hot water there. We're gonna put the rabbit around the colored egg. And it said to use the dipper. I don't see how the dipper is gonna work. And of course it says to have an adult do this. And then you put the rabbit in the hot water. My water's not piping hot, but it's pretty hot. I'm really surprised. This is not, and the color's coming off too, guys. So yeah, super fun, right? So the colors coming off of my egg, and the rabbit does not want to shrink down to the size of the egg. So let's try it with an actual egg that doesn't have coloring on it. See if this is any better. So it just says hot water. It doesn't say boiling water, but I have a feeling, guys, you're gonna need boiling water for this. Ow, that is really hot though. So we'll let him soak in there for a minute or two and see if he shrinks. Okay, so he's been in that hot water for a couple minutes now, and we've got no shrinking whatsoever on this little dude. I guess maybe I just don't have the water hot enough, but guys, it's really, really super hot. So the instructions probably should say boiling water. So let's see what happens if we use some boiling water on it. Okay, so in the kitchen now, got the water boiling. I turned it off because I'm pretty sure it's going to be hot enough. Have an egg, have the rabbit. So you want to sit the egg in the rabbit, and then you're going to drop it into the boiling water. Now, of course, make sure an adult is doing this, because that water is really, really hot. I'm going to make sure you have the rabbit in the right spot. Grab some tongs. We're going to drop it in the boiling water. Oh yeah, look at that. The rabbit went right around, shrunk right up, and he looks super cute. So as soon as that's all the way done, take him out of the water with the tongs, and then sit him somewhere to cool off. So yes, apparently boiling water is the trick to these. I'm looking at the instructions again and just want to look. Heat water. It just says heat water. It does not say bring it to boiling. And then when it says submerge the wrapped egg in the hot water. So yeah, unfortunately on the directions it does not say boiling water. Guys, it has to be boiling water. But from there, you can decorate your Grogu. You've got cute little foam ears. Let's pull those off. So we've got foam ears, and it looks like they've got sticker backings. You stick them to the side of the head. They're not going to stick out like Grogu ears like they look like on the package. Guess you could try to bend them a little bit, but that's what he looks like with the ears on. I'm thinking for coloring the egg, you can maybe dip each end in the color after you put the shrink wrap on, so you can get a little green all the way around Grogu. And then it says you can decorate it with stickers or the googly eyes if you want to. But there's the Grogu shrink wrapped egg. Super, super cute. And one of the egg holders is Grogu's little collar there. So let's fold that over. Then you can stick them in the egg holder and hello, Grogu. It's really cute. It's got a cute little waving hand on the side of it. So cute and adorable. I don't like that the ears kind of wing back. He looks more like Spock than he does Grogu, but super cute. And then you can just use stickers to decorate the other eggs. You can color it with all kinds of different colors. I was thinking about trying to shrink wrap a plastic egg, but now that I know it's boiling water, yeah, unfortunately we're not going to be able to do that. But I could put the ears on this one. So we've got ears on the egg. And then, oops, sorry dude. And then you've got the little package of googly eyes. You could put that on a plastic egg and make kind of a googly-eyed Grogu. Or you could use markers or acrylic paint and paint a face on it. I think that would be really super cute and fun. I have another idea for Easter eggs, so hopefully I get time to do that before Easter. So definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's move back up here and I'll give you a little bit more information about the egg decorating kit and of course rate it on our scale of totally bad to totally rad. So here's another up close look at the shrink wrapped egg. They're cute. Again, a little disappointed in the ears, but the kit is on sale at Walmart. It's only $3. It does come with some super cute stickers, egg dye, and the wrappets are really, really cute once you figure out how to do them the right way. So rating this kit on our scale of totally bad to totally rad, I hate to do it, guys. It's a couple notches below rad for me. It just, the instructions, hopefully this video helps some people. The instructions were a little foggy. The ears, the whole ear thing, really, they could have just bent them just a little bit. And the dye, just the fact that you dye your egg and then if you have to put it in the boiling water, that dye comes right off. But yeah, just a couple notches below rad for me, guys. What do you think? Would you have done anything differently than I did? Let me know in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave us some love in the comments. And if you want to keep seeing some totally rad things in the future, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right, little eggy dude? We'll see you later. Bye, guys. Hey, has anybody seen the stickers for the eggs?